Looking for ways to make your life easier as a pet owner? With so many products out there, it can be hard to know which pet gadgets are worth buying in 2023. And that's why we've done the research for you. From pet odor eliminators to magnetic leashes, these items make pet ownership a breeze. Give your kitty a large capacity bathroom with the Petkit Pura Max Smart Cat Litter Box. This gadget comes with a 76 liters large capacity design with smart odor control. Additionally, the lower and broader entrance makes it super cat friendly. In fact, it has the capacity to store up to 15 days of cat waste at once. This cat litter box is actually perfect for cats weighing above 3.5 pounds and older than 6 months. Other features include a smart spray for upgraded odor control. There's an all-sealed waste drawer that will completely trap the odor. No more sticky poops or clumps. This cat litter box requires no scooping or mess. This cat litter box also comes with maximum safety by multiple guard. With real-time health tracking, this cat litter box is ideal for your feline friend in the house. Let your pup enjoy the off-leash life with the Halo Collar Wireless Fence. Co-developed by dog behaviorist Cesar Millan, it offers your pup boundary training. A go-anywhere wireless fence, it has a rugged design and a long battery life. Additionally, it provides connectivity even in remote areas and a durable design. Replacing the need for an electric fence, it doesn't even require Wi-Fi or a cellular connection. Using positive reinforcement and built-in training, it keeps your furry friend safe and secure wherever you go. Moreover, it provides smart training, an activity tracker, and gentle guidance. Furthermore, it automatically downloads daily satellite updates. This allows it to improve its GPS accuracy, and you can make up to 20 wireless fences through the app. Give your furry friend the stylish accessory they deserve with the handmade 4Pets leather and fabric pet collars. Available in a wide range of sizes, from XXS to XL, these collars suit nearly every pup or cat. In fact, the XXS fits neck sizes as little as 7 inches, and the XL fits necks as large as 25 inches in diameter. Made from long-lasting materials, they use high-resistance leather and nylon for durability. Not only that, but this large collection of collars also comes in a diverse range of colors. With designs that preserve the customs and traditions of southern Mexico, these handmade pet accessories showcase the country's diversity. Finally, purchasing one of these collars helps women weavers in Mexico by purchasing their beautiful handmade goods. Make sure your furry friend is as healthy as possible with the FurCat Care Purring Electric Toothbrush for Cats. A toothbrush that kiddies will love. It can remove plaque and improve your feline's oral health care. This has a huge impact on your cat's health. Promoting prevention instead of treatment, this toothbrush uses a vibrating technology that sounds like a cat purring. So, when cats use this toothbrush, they feel relaxed and content. Crafted with safe silicone bristles and a toothbrush head, it is gentle on the gums. Not only that, but it's also easy for you to 100% sterilize it with boiling water. This eliminates the risk of infection caused by contaminated toothbrushes. Effective in taking care of cats' gums, it not only cleans the residue in the mouth but also relieves gum inflammation. Finally, it even regenerates the gums by shaking the periodontal pocket. Keep Fido hydrated on the go with the Spleesh Dog water bottle. This patented spray leash handle easily attaches to your favorite rope, leather, or nylon leash. Not only that, but it can hold up to 12 ounces of fresh water, sprays at least 14 feet, and has a flip-open cup for easy hydration. Now you can refresh your pet and help protect them from off-leash animals humanely. This innovative gadget makes walking your dog more comfortable, less stressful, and easier than ever. It does this by giving you a simple way to refresh your pet without the hassle of carrying around a bottle and bowl or having to find a fountain on the go. Designed to make your life easier, Spleesh is perfect for staying hydrated on long walks, runs, hikes, or playtimes at the park. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.